So hey everyone, welcome to Design Like Engineers, and let's start a quick tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bended pipe. So let's start. First of all, let's specify the dimensions. Simply go to mmgs, millimeter, gram, and second. This is the dimension that I'm going to use for the today's model. Now we have to select a plane. Select front plane. Select not front plane. Let's select as right plane. Right plane is more suitable. Simply select right plane. Come here, select line, make a line like this and this. Okay, and simply make this one open. Now let's specify the dimension that we need. This one is going to be 50 mm. Let's make this one 50 mm. Okay, let's make this one 60 mm. Okay, and make this one 120 mm. Now go to sketch fillet. Simply make a fillet here. This time we will use radius as 30. Simply take radius 30. Make this one okay. Now here you see, make this one okay. Now select a now this time you need to select front plane, right? A plane in this side because we need to curve this path. Okay, curve this drawing. Simply select this one and make this one a sketch. Front, make this one sketch. Now come here again. One line like this, one more line like this, and one more line like this. Okay, and here you see this one is a little bit tilt, so simply make this one vertical. Now we need to specify some dimension. We need to make this one and this one equal. Simply this line, click shift on your keypad, select this line, and here you see add listen. We need to select equal. We need to make this one equal. Now simply make this one equal. Now make this one okay. Now select this point and this point. We want this point on the same line, so simply select midpoint. No, not midpoint. Let's drag it down like this. Okay, now make this one how much? 30. Let's make this one 40. 40. Make this one how much? uh, we need an angle, right? So go to smart dimensions, select this line and make this one 45. Okay, select this one and this one go upward, and this one is also 45. Now go to sketch fillet, select this one, make this one okay, again select this one and make this one okay. Now here you see, and make this one, now everything is done. Now we need to do one more thing. What? Simply come here, go to project curve, sketch on face, sketch on sketch. Simply select sketch on sketch. This select this one and select this one. Here you see it got tilted. Here you see this is what we need. We need to curve this one. We used it as the main line and this one as direction. This one as direction and this one is as main line, main construction line. Simply make this one okay. Now here you see this is what we need. Now go to Swift boss base. Actually, Swift boss base is more suitable. Now we need to select a sketch profile. Here you see. If you want to select sketch profile, then it's better. But simply go and select circular profile, because through this you can directly make a pipe. If you want to make a hollow pipe directly, then you have to select a sketch profile. But for this, you have to make a sketch here. But no need to worry. Select this line. Now here you see. Simply increase the diameter. Let's make this one 25. 25 is fine. And make this one okay. Now here you see. Simply come here, hide this thing. Now we have this kind of curved cylindrical surface. Now we need to convert this thing into pipe. Now go to cell command, select this one face and select this face. Go to show preview so we can see the profile, the internal profile, and make this one 2. Now here you see 2. Why 2? Because 2 is the thickness of this part. Okay, 2 is the thickness of the wall, thickness of the wall of this part. That's why we selected 2. When you increase this one, then thickness will also get increased. Here you see we have selected 2. If you will select 3, then thickness will increase. Simply select 4. Now here you see, let's make this one 3.5. Okay, 3.5 is much better, and make this one okay. Now here you see, we have a curved hollow pipe. If you want to see, then here is the option section view. Simply go to section view now. Drag it in another direction. Here you see this pipe is completely hollow. Okay, and make this one okay now. We don't need this one longer. We don't need now. What do you need to do? We need to make some flanges here. So come here, select this face. Now what we need to do? We need to select anything? Yeah, and make this one a sketch. Now here you see. And let's convert this as entity. Now here you see. The outer circle will get converted into entity. Now we need to make one more circle here with a bigger diameter. So simply select this one and make this one 40. Okay, and make this one okay. Now what we need to do? Simply go to feature, go to extrude and boss base. Now we need to extrude this thing in backward direction. But how much? Let's give it a thickness of 5 mm. 5 mm is fine. 5 mm. Again, uh, here you see. Go to front plane because front plane on the middle is here. Here you see. This face is on the front plane. So again, convert this as entity and done. No, no, no. Go back. Let me check what happened here. No. So go to profile geometry, go to plane. Now simply select this surface. Now here you see it's not accepting. So it's fine, no need to do it here. There's some problem, but here we successfully made this thing. Now I have one more option. Come here, make a front plane, make sketch, change the position. Now come here, make a circle, select center point, and make a circle like this with this diameter, and again one more circle with this with the help of this diameter. Now here you see, this is what we need. Simply make this one okay. Go to extruded boss, and how much we need to extrude. This time select up to next. Now here you see, it gets selected as up to next, but no need to select up to next. Simply select up to surface and select this surface. Actually, it's not. Simply extrude this one like this and make this one okay. Let me see, it's working or not. No, actually, it's not working. So don't worry if it's not working, then it's absolutely fine. No need to do anything. Uh, so come here, sketch. Actually, just leave it. What do we need to do? Let me try it again. It's not accepting. It's not working. It's not working. This thing is not working. So let's try it again. Go to where? Go to reference geometry. Go to plane. Again, select front plane. Come here and make this an okay. Now here you see. Make this a sketch. Change the direction. Again, come here. Make a circle like this. Make one more circle like this. Go to feature. Go to extruded boss base and how much? Blind and make this one okay. No, it's still not working. So hide this one. It's not working. So just leave it. This is just a practice video. I will do this thing in some another day. But this one is just to show that how to make this kind of curved pipe. You can use this technique in your model that you want to make. But right now, this flange is optional because this kind of pipe is generally made up of rubber, and in rubber pipes they're just connectors which is used to connect this to the main hose. Okay, this one is also a small dimension hose pipe which is generally used in automobiles. This one is optional, so let's delete this one. uh let's delete this one, and yes, and delete this one too. Yes, this one. Let me check. I got it. Where is the problem? Actually, this one was activated. That's why it was not working. So, no need to worry. Again, here you see. Let's delete this one too. Okay, if it's not working, then simply come here and hide this thing. It get hidden. Now come here. Now here you see. We have the profile that we need. Actually, this one was selected. That's why it was not working. Here you see. This is the reason. Now here you see. Now I got the problem that why it was not showing you. You have to make sure that this thing was unchecked. Okay, section view. Otherwise, it will not show you after implementing the effect. Now, everything is done. Let's make the flange. I already had told you that flange is optional. If you want to make flange, then just do it. But generally in rubber pipes, the flange is not available. Okay, now go to appearance. This time we need to give it a material, and this one is made up of rubber. So simply go here and select this part. Now, if you want to change the color of the material, so simply come here, edit appearance, and from here, let's select blue. You can select any color you want. Okay, I'm making this one now. Here you see. Here we have the material, main bended pipe. So in this video, we'll learn how to make this kind of curved bended pipe. Um, and if it's made up of rubber, then the shape can be like anything. No need to worry. This is just a quick demonstration video, a quick tutorial, so you can understand that how to make curved pipes or how to make different shapes of pipes. So thanks for watching. Also subscribe the channel, like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.